Hi Virgo, welcome back to my channel Little Love Stories. Today I'm gonna do your monthly love reading for the month of August, for the end of August. Keep in mind that these readings are general. This may be resonate with you or maybe not resonate with each and every Virgo. If it resonate with you, you can take guidelines from this reading, and if it not resonate with you, you can simply ignore it. And for covering every area of your love life, I'm going to use this spread, this pattern. This is easy for both of us to understand what is happening in your love life. I'm going to take 4 cards for your partner's feeling, attention, and current situation. 4 cards for your feeling, attention, and current situation, and 2 cards for mutual energies. So let's get started. Virgo, what is the Virgo person's feelings towards Virgo? What is the Virgo person's feelings towards Virgo? What is the Virgo person's feelings towards Virgo? We are having here Knight of Wands, Queen of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles, and 2 of Swords. So what are the Virgo's feelings towards this person? What are the Virgo's feelings towards this person? We are having here the Lovers, Death, Star, and 10 of Wands. So what is the mutual energies? What is the mutual energies? We are having here Page of Sword and 10 of Swords in the mutual energy. A lot of. So these are your cards, and I try to explain these cards for you. So let's get start with your person's feeling first, Virgo. So let's talk about your person's feelings. Virgo, this is someone who is so passionate towards you. Definitely this person start a new start with you. With this Ace of Pentacles, they consider you the opportunity of the golden opportunity, having a deep connection, and someone who is provide them a lot, nurture them a lot, because this Queen of Pentacles is so nurturing, and Ace of Pentacles is a sign this person want a beginning with you. They feel like that they are having a relationship with you. It's gonna be a stable relationship. You, because you are also so caring, so responsible. Pentacles about responsibility, someone who is responsible, stable. So they know that they having you is gonna be having stability and stable life here. And also this person admires you, and they admire your nature features here. Definitely you are the Virgo, and you are the Queen of Pentacles. They like the fact you are the Queen of or King of Pentacles. This is a beneficial to have you in their life. The other thing is that this person is also attractive towards you. Also we can see Knight of Wands, they are still having this passion towards you, because this is how they see you. This person is less responsible, you are the more responsible. I can see her. Knight of Wands is someone like they come whenever they want to come and leave, whenever they want to leave. This person is like that, but they know that you are so responsible, and that's why I feel like that. Still they want a connection with you, they want a new start with you. They also know that you are blocking this person off here, and you are also using your logic and your mind in this situation. I feel like that this person is also feeling blocked by you. You are not letting this person cross the boundaries here. You are setting some kind of boundary around you, Virgo, and that thing is definitely disturbing for this person. So let's see what is your feelings in this card, the Lovers and the Death card. So definitely you are stuck between choices. You are having some kind of choice here. It could be possible you are having love, some kind of feelings for this person, but you are not liking this person, the way they are reacting in this situation. They are not as responsible as you are. We can see here the Death card. So you are definitely cutting this person off here, because you are ending this connection. You are not able to trust this person completely. This person is not as responsible as you are, and that's why this relationship was like a burden on your shoulder with this Ten of Wands here. So the thing is that that's why you are ending this connection. It was burden on your shoulders. That's why you are dropping this burden, dropping these wands here and moving in and transforming. And here we can see the star card. Definitely you are healing yourself, nurturing yourself from this connection. And with this lover's card, you are having love for this person, but you are trying to end this connection with this person. You are trying to avoid your feelings here. So let's see what is the mutual energy. So we can see that this person is definitely spying on you. They just want to know how to have you back in their life, and also they are collecting some kind of information about you. Still this person is having a lot of feelings towards you. They definitely see you as a passion, beauty and desire. The obsession is there. This person is obsessed and they are spying on you, collecting information about you. And here we can see her 10 of sword. Definitely you are ending this connection with this person. This was a phase ending for you. You were in love with this person. You didn't want to disconnection with this person, but you finally ended this, and that thing was painful for you. You are trying to overcome from this pain here, and this is so painful for you, Virgo. So let's see what else we have for Virgo. What else for Virgo? What else for Virgo? We are having here 5 of wands, Hierophant, and as the outcome we are having Queen of swords. So definitely you are not compromising. You are not compromising with this person's BS and fake promises here. And also with this Hierophant, so definitely this person still want commitment. They still want a relationship with you, and I also see some kind of stubbornness in this situation. They really want you to work according to them. Maybe they want to show you vulnerability. They really, maybe they are not want to show vulnerability in front of you, because you want their love. You want love only. You don't want some kind of who is irresponsible and not as responsible as you are. Maybe they just want to commit to you, but still the thing is that you are not able to trust this person. That's why you are cutting this person off with this Queen of sword, and you are blocking this person, ending this connection. You are becoming a tough like this Queen of sword, and I feel like that you are transforming your energy from the energy of Queen of Pentacles, Queen of swords. So you are fighting back currently. For this time you are not compromising in this person with this person anymore. That's why this person is feeling disturbed. They are also spying on you, collecting information about you. They are not done with you. They are gonna try. They're gonna try to come back here. Before coming towards you, they have to know your feelings. What are you doing? They need information. And definitely this person is spying on you. You are the tough one, but you are the tough one, Virgo. It's not gonna be easy for this person to this time to not give you what you deserve here. So let's see what advice messages I have for my Virgo people in the end. What advice messages I should have for my Virgo people. What advice messages I should have for my Virgo people. Exercise, leave the past, think positive, focus on yourself. These are few advice messages in the end for my Virgo people. If it hope this resonate with you. If it resonate with you, you can support my channel, Little Love Stories, and comment below. It's been a lot to me, and thank you so much for listening. God bless you. Bye.